In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link credit cards to QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and will significantly enhance your ability to manage your business finances. By linking your credit card to QuickBooks, you can easily track expenses, categorize transactions, and ensure your financial records are always up to date. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the QuickBooks Online website. When you arrive on the site, you'll notice the sign in button right there in front of you. Give that button a click. Now when prompted, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online from the list. This step is crucial since navigating through the correct portal ensures a smooth connection between your financial data and your accounting software. Next, you're going to be asked for your credentials. Here, simply enter them and hit continue. If you don't have them handy, take a brief moment to retrieve them. It's important that this information is accurate to avoid any hiccups in accessing your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your home dashboard. From here, navigate over to the Bank Transactions tab. You can find this option quite easily on the sidebar or at the top menu, depending on your view. This tab is essentially the hub for all your financial transactions. Once you're in the Bank Transactions section, turn your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled Link Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to connecting your credit card. A window or page will then pop up displaying a list of banks and credit card companies. Find and select the institution that holds your credit card. This list is quite comprehensive, so chances are high that your provider is included. After selecting your credit card provider, you'll need to input your credit card details. This might seem a bit daunting, but rest assured QuickBooks uses top-notch security measures to protect your information. Once your information is entered, proceed to log in by following the on-screen instructions. Essentially, you're granting permission to QuickBooks to access your transactions so it can streamline them into your financial records. You're almost at the finish line. As the final step, verify that everything is set up correctly. Once your account is linked, QuickBooks will begin importing your recent transactions. This connection allows you to better visualize where your money is going and assists in making informed financial decisions. And there you have it. Your credit card is now successfully linked to QuickBooks Online. This connection empowers you to keep an organized and real-time view of your financial status. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the categorized view of transactions QuickBooks offers. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.